Hi everybody, it's Teresa Lynn. Welcome back to my channel. On my channel here, I create all things lifestyle, from style, natural hair, and mom tips. So if you're interested in those topics, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be sure to tell a friend. So this video is part 2 of my how to develop your personal style series. If you haven't watched the first video, I will link that below or put it somewhere here. So in that video, we covered all the steps needed to develop your personal style, and then I am breaking down each of those steps into videos. And so the first step that you need to do to develop your personal style is assess your closet. So to assess your closet, basically you are just trying on your clothes, seeing what works for you and what no longer works for you. So does this outfit or piece of clothing, because you need to try on tops, bottoms, skirts, jackets, everything, shoes, do you still feel confident in it? Does it still feel current to you? Does it, I know we haven't gone through the steps of creating the mood board, but in your head, when you envision your style, does this, go in the style direction that you want to go in? And if it doesn't, you need to toss it. So since the assessing the closet part is pretty simple, we're also going to dive into purging your closet as well. Now, if you watch my first video, I list purging the closet, I think, as step 4, but we're gonna go ahead and go over that now since assessing the closet is pretty straightforward. Okay, so let's get into how to declutter your closet like a pro. So the first step in decluttering your closet is to gather all the things you need. What do you need? You need 2 to 4 hours of uninterrupted time, because let's be real, if you start it and then keep stopping, it's gonna take you longer to get through it. So you might as well just block out one chunk of time, 2 to 4 hours, depending on the size of your closet and how much is needed to get rid of. You wanna set that time aside. Next up, you're gonna need trash bags, because you're assuming that you're getting rid of a lot of items. So have those trash bags handy so that you can just pull them off the hanger and toss them directly into the trash bag. You're also gonna need a full-length mirror so you can see everything from head to toe. There are other organizing supplies that you can either get after you've purged your closet, or if you're watching this video in preparation and you're gonna prepare before you actually start on your closet, then you can already come equipped with that. You can use, and I'll go into these later, a double rod expansion, huggable hangers, vacuum sealed bags, and storage bins. So after you gather everything you need, it's time to set the mood. Now let's be real, no one really wants to purge their closet. It's not the most exciting task, cleaning out your closet. You may feel a little overwhelmed. It may be a little bit challenging trying on all your clothes. So let's set the mood. Let's put on some nice music, whatever it is that's gonna get you going and keep you pumped up. If that's R&B, do that. If that's a little jazz, do that. Whatever it is that gets you going, go ahead and put that on. Have water nearby, have a snack. You may even wanna pour a glass of wine or two. Maybe invite a friend over if that's gonna be helpful to you. Whatever it is that you need to get going, go ahead and set the mood. So now it's time to get to work. Try on everything in your closet, tops, bottoms, coats, and shoes. What you're doing when you try them on, in addition to looking for how it makes you feel, you're reviewing color. Does it still look good on your skin tone? Are you happy with how you look in this color? Is this color something that you want to wear more of? Is this something you want to get rid of? You're also looking at style. Is it flattering to your body shape? Is this something that's current? Do you want to continue wearing this style and silhouette? Next, you're looking for wear and tear. Now, minor alterations are okay. You're missing a button, you get a little rip here, rip there, okay, fine. But there are some pieces that are just tattered that we need to let go. This is that time, let that go. Do not bring that into your new wardrobe. So I know sometimes it's hard to let things go, and it's even harder to see your clothes leave your closet and you only have a small percentage left, but the goal is to have an active closet. So what's an active closet? An active closet is you only want clothes hanging in your closet that you're actually going to wear. So anything that's sentimental or clothes you cannot fit right now or off season, like if it's summer and these are your winter and fall clothes, you're going to store that somewhere else. A perfect option for storing would be a vacuum sealed bag. I've never used them before, but I have recommended them for clients and they love them. So you just put your items in these vacuum sealed bags and you suction everything out, and you can either, you know, it makes it flat so you can, or, you know, more compact, so you can slide it under your bed, you can put it in the garage in a bin, you know, you could put it just somewhere that's not in your active closet. So while you're going through your closet, you can make piles for your clothes. You can have a pile that, you know, you no longer want or need and it's not good for anybody, and that can go in the trash. You have clothes that just may not be for you anymore, but they're in good condition and they can be donated. And then you can have another pile for alterations. So, you know, these are clothes that maybe they're too long, you need to get hemmed or maybe taken in or out of the waist, or just small alterations. You can have a pile for that as well. And I do recommend, if you have clothes that need to be donated or altered in any way, that you take them to the appropriate places immediately, so they're not just sitting in your closet or sitting in your home just creating and taking up space. Go get that handled right away. So now that you have taken everything out of your closet and reviewed it, it's time to put everything back into your closet, but this time we are going to organize like a pro, right? So the key is to make getting dressed in the morning or when you're going out as simple as possible. So you want to color coordinate your closet from light to dark, and then group categories from sleeveless, short sleeve, long sleeves. So this way it is super easy when you're looking for a certain, I want a red shirt today to wear with my jeans. Okay, let me go to my red section of the tops. Do I want sleeveless? Short sleeve, long sleeve? Boom, everything is right there for you, and it's easy for you to put an outfit together. As for your dresses, you want to be able to hang them in a place where they easily flow. They're not scrunched up at the bottom. They should just be hanging and flowing properly. Your coats should be pushed to the back of the closet. And if you're really looking to maximize your closet, if your closet does not have double rods, meaning, you know, a rod at the top and then a rod, you know, at the bottom, you can, if you want, purchase a double rod or a rod expansion. And that's, I used to have this, I don't anymore, but I used to. So I'm gonna try, I will link everything, like suggestions and recommendations with products, in the description box below, so that you're all set up, but I'll try my best to describe it. It's basically, you know, like, so you'll have a hook or two hooks hanging on your top rod, and then there's a, not a string, but there's like a wire kind of material hanging, and then there's a rod at the bottom, and that is where you can put like your bottoms, and then you'll have your tops on the top, so that you can visually picture and put your outfits together, if that makes sense. You don't have to organize your closet in that way, but that is an option to maximize your closet, as well as to help you visually when you're putting your outfit together. So you want to make sure that your scarves, handbags, hats, any of your accessories that you want to add to your outfit, you want to make sure that they're organized in a way that is visible to you, because the more visible they are, the more likely you are to wear them. And you know, accessories can take your outfit to the next level, so you want to include them, especially if that's your thing, if you're comfortable with doing that. So just make sure, because I know for myself, I'll forget I'll have something. So whatever it is, however you want to organize your hats or your scarves or, you know, shades, whatever it is, organize it where you can see them so that you can wear them. So that brings me to my last and final step, which is to get inspired. So I'm a huge fan of Pinterest. A side note, I redid my pantry and organized it, and I use Pinterest inspiration, and I must say it looks very good. But yes, use Pinterest for your inspiration to get inspired. They have tons of ideas of how to organize jewelry, scarves, hats, organize your closet, different ways to store that you would never think of, and you'll see someone's pen and you're like, wow, oh, okay. So how to organize your shoes, any of that. If you're limited on space, or you just want your closet to aesthetically look really nice, go ahead and search Pinterest, and you can also create a mood board. So go ahead and get your Pinterest on and create a nice organized closet. So I hope this video was helpful to you on how to declutter and organize your closet like a pro. If you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, send it to a friend, tell a friend, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you keep watching and stay updated, because the next thing we will be going over in the style series on how to develop your personal style is finding style inspiration and creating a style mood board. So again, thank you so much for watching. Keep up with me and follow me at Artrisa Lynn on Instagram. Until the next video, bye.